線駐車券をお取りください。Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats and I hope everyone is happy, healthy and doing okay. So guys, today we're going on an adventure. A few months ago, we discovered that there is actually a Burger King somewhere here in the new city that we live. So today we are trying to find that Burger King. I'm not sure if this video will be like a one-day vlog, a one-day day in my life, or a weekend day in my life, because it is the weekend and I do have some things planned for tomorrow. I don't know if I'll like merge them together or do they separately. We'll see. But right now I have Adam with me and we are heading to Burger King. Now Burger King is one of Adam's favorite fast food place. So yeah, we're going to check that out. So come along with us. By the way, official good morning. So we're just at the station right now, trying to head to the train platform to catch our train. I hope you guys can hear me with all the noise going on about. I do have a good microphone. Maybe I should have worn maybe I should have worn like my pin-on mic, but I forgot, so we're just going to work with this right now. Behind me I have like a coffee shop.
Starbucks lookalike.
Yeah, Starbucks cousin or something of the sort. We're taking the escalator. Let me flip the camera around. Guys, it is like so hot. My God. Once there's actually a Starbucks right down there. I don't know if you can see the sign. There's the Starbucks right down there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. We're not heading to Starbucks, we're heading that direction. You don't even know what time the train is. 6:04? 4:04?
That's perfect.
We do have our Suica card that we can just beep there and we can go through the train platform. We are trying to catch the 4:10 train. What time is it? Oh, it's 4:02, so good to go. And guys, as you can see, there are students in the train station because if you don't know, Japanese students are always working. Yeah, so we are going to take the Takasaki line train and it goes to all of these places, but where we're heading is on the way to all of these places, so that's the best train to take. Want something to drink? Adam wants a Red Bull, guys. So the Japanese vending machine. Let us see how Adam buys a drink. I'd love a water, but so we can actually pay with our train card and then it falls Red Bull gives you wings. So 2 tracks. Track 3, track 4. Our train is on this track. Alright, you guys, so let me give you a little. Oh, this says train is approaching. So I cannot give you the lesson that I was about to give you, but it's cool that they have like the English names on the signs underneath there. So it's easy to like know. Oh, a train is passing, not approaching. Okay, so let's see the train that is passing, guys. Shinkansen?
Empty.
You guys, it's an empty Shinkansen it seems, but Shinkansen does not run on this track, so why would it be down here? I don't think it's a Shinkansen.
So you think?
No, I don't think it is. Shinkansen is upstairs. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let's get back to the lesson. So here, most important tips. Where you're headed, where you're at, the time of your train. This is like how many carts the train has or how many cars the train have. And then over here is, Adam, I don't know, what's this?
Well, you only need to know one country.
He says you only need to know one country, which is like
going.
where you're going
So
over here.
Kogahara.
Yeah, so we're heading to Kogahara, so that's
time,
the, what's that, the kanji or the,
Kogahara.
oh, Kogohara. So that's Japanese for Kogohara.
Below that, Takasaki, which is
The Takasaki line.
for
Yeah, the end destination and of course the time. And then they have like the time now. So we have like 5 minutes before the next train. Hey guys, that's our train coming. That's another train over there.
what an ugly train.
Green car. No? From the moment me hear a sneeze, you know, that's it for me. The train is quite empty, guys. Like, no one inside. Alright, you guys, so we got to the station. Woo, breeze. Oh, hallelujah. Woo! I could get
Sushi desu ne.
sushi desu.
Sushi?
Sushi.
Sushi?
Something is in my eyes. Oh, I can't be touching my face. Jesus!
Your mask.
My mask is in my pocket. I just took it off to get some fresh air. Mommy, please do not watch this video and call me and say, but Natty, but do see in your mask. I have my mask, Mom. I'm just catching some air, okay? This one is studying Japanese again, so he's just speaking in Japanese all the time. So we got to the next station, so now we're checking Google Maps. Adam says it's like 30-minute walk to Burger King. So we're going to try to find that and then get going. Guys, I do not know if you guys saw the outfit when I was doing it in the mirror, but just a casual look, you know. We're not trying to be too hot girlish in these streets because it's hot and I will literally tear my clothes off in public. Not really. Alright, are we ready to go? Which way do we start walking?
Just follow me.
Alright, we're following the leader. Now guys, at point to note, I am the worst at reading maps. I cannot read maps, so this is what I need Adam with me. Oh my god, the breeze is so good. Maybe it's going to rain. Let me get my hand sanitizer because my face is itching more than normal. Guys, like, it is so nerve-wracking to like vlog in public because everyone, what?
Don't go very early.
Everyone is like staring at you, and if you know the Japanese culture, like, they are not so ups and so on. So I just have to tell myself that, you know what, I'm going to vlog, and if you realize that I have a camera and you don't want to be in my shot, all you have to do is duck. For those who don't understand what duck mean, it means just get out of the way. Because I can't let them stop me from creating my content at all. Anyway.
Beef, chicken, and pork.
Where?
Gyuniku.
So Adam has a little Japanese lesson for you guys.
Oh, really?
He's excited.
My 15. These kanji are very important to us because we don't eat everything.
Speak louder because the mic.
These kanji are very important to us because we have to know what it is we are eating. On the top, okay, so at the bottom of this sign,
Bottom.
there are 3 lines of text. So on the first line, the top line, we have gyuniku, which is cow meat, beef. And next is
That's
butaniku.
the big one in the center? No.
They're all the same size.
Oh, okay.
Butaniku, that's pig meat, pork. And then toriniku, which is chicken meat or bird meat, which is chicken.
So basically you can get all 3 meats in here.
Right, so you just need to avoid that middle one.
Okay,
You
so
see that middle one? Don't buy it.
So yeah guys, that is one of our main struggles here in Japan, and that is why we really do not eat out, because really the Japanese is kind of a bit of a struggle for us. And you know that the main dish here in Japan is pork. Pork is in everything. Pork flavored, pork cabbage, pork something. And even if you're eating chicken, you probably get pork gravy. So we have to be super careful when we're eating out, and that is why we don't really eat out. And if we do eat out, we have specific places where we eat out, and that is usually fast food places and like 2 Italianish kind of restaurants here. No, let's go.
Ah, sorry.
I just heard the boy say typhoon and tsunami. And me hear something like tsunami, and then we looked at him, but he was thinking that he was in my frame, but he's not, so I said it's okay. Anyway guys, that's our place. Can you see it? Yeah! And then another of our favorite restaurants, Caesarea. That's what I was telling you. Caesarea is one of the restaurants we normally go to, but Burger King, they should be interesting for Adam. Adam loves Burger King. When we went to Jamaica, I was so obsessed with trying KFC again that I only had burger once, and I regretted that I only went there once. I forgot how good burgers were, because I'm usually a KFC girl. Woo!
Nomimono, orange. That's this.
Bacon smells so good. But we don't eat bacon, y'all. Well, we eat turkey bacon, but I'm sure these are pork bacon. Sugiwa, double cheese.
Double cheese burger.
Each man. Set. Hi.
Orange nomimono desu.
108番のお客様お待たせいたしました。
ベーコンありますか？
お待たせいたしました。ありがとうございます。
ない？オッケーオッケー。ベーコン食べません。大丈夫？ベーコンなし。ベーコンないですか？オッケーオッケー。これ一つ。
660円とレシートがお返しです。私がご209番です。
You guys, we had the sweetest experience in Burger King just now. So when I went in there, because I don't want to like put the camera out in people's faces, so I just one of the customer care guys, he spoke a little bit of English, so he was dealing with us, and I just politely asked him like, can I video for my YouTube channel? And he was like, not the entire, like not them working, but I can like do the menu and the whole stuff. So I said okay, and then when he gave us back our food, he asked me to write down the name of my YouTube channel so that he could subscribe to me. And I'm like, oh, that's so sweet. So yeah, Japan can be nice, but it also can be bad, and that is what I pride myself on giving you guys the information about, you know. I tell you about the good, I tell you about the bad, and then you can make a decision. So now we have our food. Oh, one more thing, they're only doing takeout services, so we can sit in there and eat. And the strangest thing happened, because when we were actually coming, I wanted to do takeout, but at the same time I know Adam, he's the kind of person who wants to eat right away, and so to travel back home with the food, it's gonna get cold, and he does not like cold food. I personally don't have a problem, plus it's coronavirus time and I do not want to be out. So funny enough is I was just telling Adam that I low-key wanted it to be takeout, and he said that he low-key wanted it to be takeout because he has a lesson in about 2 or 3 hours or less, and he wanted to do takeout as well, but he was scared to tell me, and I was scared to tell him that I wanted to do takeout, but it all worked out. Right, honey?
Oh, yeah.
So that is a lesson for us. Another marriage lesson: do not keep anything from your partner. If you feel a certain way, tell your spouse. They either can say yes or no. That is as far as it can go. So now we're heading home. We bought 2 meals, guys, because it's been so long that we've had burger that, oh my god, we're gonna eat now and we're gonna want to eat later.
And we're binging.
Yeah.
Something new.
Yeah, I do want to watch Wakanda Forever. I have been having a hard time.
Black Panther.
Yeah, the show is Black Panther, but as black people and Jamaicans, we always we call shows by what the show is about. So Black Panther is about Wakanda Forever. I'll say let's watch Wakanda Forever. Like I think majority of Jamaicans are like that, or they say that.
No.
Unless you're Adam.
Just you.
Just me?
Just you.
Well, I'll take it. I don't care. You guys know what I mean by Wakanda Forever. So as I was saying, I've been having a hard time accepting Chad's death. I just can't believe it, you know, especially because to find out that he was battling cancer while he was filming remarkable shows for us, it's taken me a minute to accept it. So like to commemorate, what's the word? Commemorate. Listen, to respect all the things that he has done for us, we want to watch Black Panther.
We're gonna watch Black
tonight.
Panther in honor of.
Yes, we're going to watch it in honor of him.
Okay.
And this is a very unpopular opinion of mine, but I do not think that they should replace the Black Panther. I do not think his sister should get it or anyone else should get it. I think that they should just let his legacy be for his children and all of that stuff. Let it die right there. I know that is a very unpopular opinion because everybody is saying to let his sister take the throne, and I'm like, just leave the man's legacy alone.
Was Black Panther about the actor or the character? Was it about Chad or was it about the concept of a Black Panther?
I mean, it is about the concept of a
Seems not.
of the Black Panther, but to me, he played it so well, and now that
How many
he's
actors
dead,
have played, the
I
Joker
know, but
or
I
Batman, Superman.
I know that there are all kinds of things about
Black
it,
Panther
but
has to live on.
yeah, I mean, if you look at it that way, guys, that he has to live on and all of that stuff, then fine. Whoever produced the show can do whatever they want, but I'm just saying, if I die and leave a piece of legacy,
You want it to be continued?
no, I'd want it to
Wow.
stay. I want it to stay,
Wow.
so black children and my children and all of that can look at me as being this role model, not looking at somebody else in 2 years' time and say, oh, because I think that the world will probably forget about him. And
No. Think of it not as a replacement, but of an extension of the legacy.
I don't know. To be honest, I'm just that kind of person, guys. Like, if my husband should die, God forbid, God please don't. I do not want another husband, and if I die, I'm going to be so upset. I'm putting this on the internet so Adam can watch this. God forbid I die. I do not want you to remarry. Okay? Do not.
Okay.
I'll be very upset. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I hate change. Like, if you're on my Instagram, you know that I hate change. I hoard everything there is. So yeah, it's just that kind of life for me. Whew. And I am breathing like, I don't know, I'm tired. And guys, look how shine I am. Like, I am using the Pixie Glow Spray, and this vlog is very chatty, I realize. I'm using the Pixie Glow Spray on my face, so I'm glowy and I'm sweaty. Bad idea. Very bad idea. Do not wear makeup when it's hot, because you'll melt. Even my wig, I have to like adjust my wig. See, even right now the wig is sliding off, guys. Like, it's a whole thing. Like, the sweat is not holding the glue for my wig at all. Laugh at me if you want, I don't care. Anyway, guys, we're going to make it back to the train station before it starts pouring, so we'll catch you up then. Oh my god, I'm tired. This here is a photo booth where you can go and take like your passport size photos for your residence card and all of that. So unlike in Jamaica, we have to go to a photo studio and so on to get your shots done. In Japan, they have a lot of these set up all over the place where you can just go in. They have an operator thing inside here, so looks like this, and it has English options, so you can just press through, pay, and then you get your pictures down there. I've used this many times. Very effective and handy. You guys, I'm not even joking. We're riding and down came the rain. We felt like 2 drops of rain, and then all of a sudden it was a storm. I do not even know if my camera is going to make it. Look at me, soaked from head to toe, but we just got home, so I'm going to clean up. Wow, I'll show you guys the food. Guys, the lighting is very bad. We just cleaned up and this is what we got. So regular BK bag, as if you were in Jamaica. We got like 4 meals because of course we, you know, want to get the best of it. Feels soft like porridge. Anyway, guys, got a double cheeseburger for me. Adam got a Whopper with cheese. In there we got another set of the same for later, and some juice, and of course some fries. So Adam is going to taste his burger. That is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Looks like a Whopper. You guys, so alright, my verdict on the burgers from the Burger King here in Japan. I know that Burger King is a franchise, so the food should not taste any different than what, you know, we are used to. Of course, the menu is the same, but then of course each country they'll have, excuse me, each country will have specialty items like for with food based on their culture. This one did have it, but we just got like the regular Whopper with cheese and a regular double cheeseburger now. Adam fully enjoyed his meal because, as I said, Adam is a Burger King guy. He loves Burger King, and I'm more of a KFC girl. However, the KFC in Japan has really begun to start like upsetting my stomach because I don't know if it's like this particular city that I'm living in that prepares the chicken a little different, but I realize that nowadays the chicken is so fatty, like it's more fat than meat, and like when you lift it up it just looks as if the meat isn't cooked and all of that stuff. So it has really begun to turn me off. I don't eat much KFC anymore, so we decided to try the Burger King because we saw it was nearby us. And for me, I did not enjoy my burgers, and I think it's just because I'm tired and we did not get to eat it at the store and traveling and all of that stuff. I just got out of the mood, I think. But I do think it tastes just like regular burgers that we're used to in Jamaica. Adam says it tastes exactly the same, but as I said, I just didn't enjoy mine because, I mean, the journey back plus the rain and all of that stuff. I'm just honestly tired. I felt as if I was going to faint when I came inside of the house. I am still tired. You probably can see it in my face. So I did not enjoy my meal, but it was okay. It was good. So this is where I'm ending today's vlog, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this little Burger King food shopping haul, and if you did, of course, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye guys. Oh Lord, my belly is full. Adam is currently teaching a class online. As a matter of fact, let me just sneak into his office and try to catch him teaching.
Picture? Well, you can say, okay, so on the phone conversation, hello, who's this? Yeah, okay.
So back to what I was saying.